Hello and welcome everyone to my channel, to my boots channel, all about the fashion and boots. Today I would like to make a video about boots. If you are here for a very long time, probably you know everything about this, but if you are new here, just welcome and please subscribe, because I would like to tell you today a little bit about the boots. Just if you have a little fear of wearing the boots, just please do not think that this is something wrong, or maybe you don't know how to style these boots, what to wear with the boots. Just I think that if you will wear any cowboy boots, flat boots, high heel boots, there is no matter which boots you love. I think that every outfit looks much better with the boots than with any sneakers. This is just my little opinion. Of course, if you love to wear any sneakers, that's fine, and that's really great, but I really love to wear all the type of the boots. So today I would like to show you a few very simple pair of the boots that you can just start with, and they will fit to any outfit, or maybe to all your outfits. So let's start maybe from the outfit that I'm wearing today. This is the real leather waistcoat, which I really love to wear with any shirts, with any blazers, over any long sleeves, but also just like a top with the buttons. Now waistcoats, they are very, very trendy, and you can find so many. Just I really love to wear waistcoats. Just I think that the waistcoat complete the every suit. If you are wearing any nice trousers and the matching blazer, or maybe just jeans blazer, you can always match the waistcoat to your blazer or to your trousers. Any trousers you wear, you can match the waistcoat to this to create the one look under the blazer, or you can just fit and match the blazer with the waistcoat. Is gonna be really a great style too. So I think that today I'm matching my shorts from Zara with the waistcoat, which is real leather, and I've got the brown ties from the Calzedonia, and I've got my Jimmy Choo boots. They are in the size 39, with the nice stretch leather. I don't really like how they are. The leather on the legs, it is stretch, but leather on the lower boot, it is a different type of the leather. It is strong leather, it is nice and smooth. Leather on the top, it is just stretchy and also nice and smooth, but not that smooth, and this is two different really types, and it is very visible. I think just I can see it, maybe you don't. Gloves I got from the Fernando Berlin. I bought them last month and I am so happy because they fit perfectly. I've got size 7, probably size 6.5 could be good too, because you know the leather will stretch, so at the beginning they fit perfect, but after time you will wear them and leather will stretch a little, especially if there is like very thin leather and there is no lining on these gloves. So you can check the video with the unboxing, I think. I hope so. So today I would like to tell you a little bit about the boots. If you would like to start your fashion journey with the boots, you would like to change your style a little bit, just maybe you love to just put your sneakers away a bit for a time, and you would like to start your new year, new autumn season with the nice pair of the boots. You can find so many with Zara. You can start from very cheap, even the faux leather boots. I'm not telling you that you have to buy only the real leather. This is your choice. So I think that you can start from many boots you can find on just Zara, Bershka, Stradivarius, H&M. There is really great choice, and you can find everything soon. I hope that my order will arrive next week, and I can show you the new autumn just trends and things like that. Maybe I will inspire you a little bit for the new season, but I would like to show you the boots today that you can really match with every outfit if you are ready for the autumn, and if you are not, just after this video you will be for sure. The first pair of the boots, it's gonna be of course Moda Impala, because I really love this style of the boots, that they are very elegant but at the same time so sophisticated. This is just pure elegance, and this is the timeless model with the round, a little bit like almond toe. Video about the old type of the toe with the boots you can find with the, I think that 2 weeks ago before I went to Italy. So they are with the stretch leather on the back. They fit amazing with any skirts, shorts, but also with the jeans. I think if we are wearing any jeans, trousers or something like that, and they are different color, then the boots will be better wear any over knee boots. But if you would like to just wear something like I'm wearing today, just any top, jumper, trouser, shorts, leather shorts, maybe denim shorts. I created so many looks with the denim shorts too and the long boots. This is a great idea for the really nice outfit if you're going just for any party, festivals or concerts or things like that. It is really any performance like the. I saw really wonderful outfits just when people went to Beyonce, and they just wore really fantastic boots and everything. Even she with her daughter on the scene, it was crazy. Like Taylor Swift, her outfits on the scene, amazing. I really love it. Just I would like to go one day for the Taylor Swift just because I love to see her boots live. It is amazing. But anyway, let's come back to the boots. So these are so cheap. Like for this style and for this quality, these boots, they are very cheap, I have to say. And you can find them secondhand, but you can also just find them on eBay, on Moda Impala website. You can find them actually everywhere. So next pair will be a Stuart Weitzman, which are much more expensive because they cost around €1,000. So they are really expensive. I cut them a little bit. I make them a little bit shorter with the higher front. So I think that they look really like for everyday boots with the nice stable heel, because they have this heel like very nice and slim. This is very elegant boots. But if you would like to have something like daily wear, just something for every day, this will be really great with any shorts, jeans, trousers, leather outfits, with actually everything. Really, these boots, they've got also the round toe. In my opinion, if you will wear any boots with the pointy toe, it's gonna be just shift instantly to elegant way, to something more than just, you know, a simple outfit. Yes, we cannot create a simple outfit with the pointy toes. The pointy toe will be always just elevating our outfits to elegant way. So they are really good, but for, like I said, every day, if you're going, for example, for the long walks, you would love to wear just the shorts, nice ties, and the long oversized jumper. And these boots, I really love it. I really love even the sweatshirts, a bit oversized with the denim shorts and something like a sporty look, but with the boots, it is also really great. Next we have a knee-high boots. If you don't really like, because as you can see, they are over knee. They are just a little bit over knee and they are over knee. And you can find a Stuart Weitzman really long or just over knee. It depends. You can find them suede. Same as the Moda Impala, you can find suede. And just if you don't want to wear leather, but you would love to wear just boots made of fabric, I cannot recommend you like fabric boots because they won't keep the shape. It is really hard to find boots that they will keep a shape if they will be made of any fabric, any material, not leather, not suede. But the leather always keep the shape. I think this is always nice finish of your outfit if you will wear any leather boots. So another boots that we have, more elegant, that if we will wear a nice skirt or any beautiful, for example, leather shorts, and we would love to wear something knee-high, not really long, not very over knee, then we can wear the Lesilla boots. They have nothing, they're plain, nothing on them, no logos, no nothing, just a bit pointy, but not too much, and stiletto heel, which is not really good for the cobblestones, but you have to just pick these boots if you, for example, love to go to, I don't know, shopping center or any maybe park where you know that the cobblestones will be okay. Another pair in a little bit different color, but with the nice stable heel, which is nice and slim, nice color. Just if you are wearing everything black or maybe everything brown and you would love to wear something different, you can just have the beige boots or maybe the stone boots. Like, they are, I think that these boots, they are very beautiful. You can make them to measure. Is they dirty or something? But anyway, they are Fernando Berlin, and I have to say that I can recommend you this brand, this designer actually, for sure, because they made really fantastic boots. They are a bit pointy too, but they can be like, they can finish your casual look for sure. And the last boots that you can find, also, I found them on the website when someone just sell them. I don't know why, because these boots, they are insane. The leather, it is just, they are Saint Laurent, and they cost really cinema, and they are super long. So this is something for really brave ladies, and I have to say that I really love them. Just plain top, jeans, these boots, and the biker jacket, biker leather jacket, and you have perfect outfit. I know that not everyone loves outfit like this, but I think that it is really worth to try which boots you feel confidence and which boots you really like. They have really comfy heel to walk, so I can walk in them really long distance. Even the cobblestones are not a problem. Of course, the leather sole, it is always a problem because may damage really quick, and this is a bit painful, like for the people who love to wear boots but also love to keep them all the time fresh and new, just like me. But anyway, I love all these boots, and I think that you can start from a really nice, plain black boots, knee-high, over knee. You don't have to just buy Lesilla or very expensive like the Stuart Weitzman or Saint Laurent, but you can try find them secondhand. You can try search on eBay. You can try I can see that sometimes people on eBay trying to sell things for much higher price than boots are, because they are not available anymore. Just like, for example, the Louboutin with the buttons. And I really love these boots, but they cost over $2,000, which is like, no, thank you. But sometimes people really selling something because they want to get rid of them. And this is really fantastic. And you can just find really everything, and people selling everything. So lots of my boots, they are secondhand, that I found them somewhere on the website. Like the Burgundy Casadets, that everybody asking me, how did you get these boots? And I said, I found them, but honestly, I don't remember. It was an English website. I had to pay customs on delivery, and it was really, really difficult to find boots like this, but I found them. Sometimes you can, search the internet and you will find everything. So I'm not selling any of my boots. This is all my collection, which I really love, and I am so proud of it. And I would like to show you how you can start your journey with your boots if you are looking for. any model to start with. Really, these old boots will match any jeans, any shirt, any outfit, any leggings you will wear. You will be happy with any boots. So you will just, in my opinion, if you will wear really just a coat, jeans, boots, maybe ankle boots, try for the first time. I hope that you'll like my video. I hope I wasn't like I wasn't talking too fast. But thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and soon I will create for you and I will prepare more videos about this style. Soon will be the autumn. Like, some people just can't wait for this. I know, I saw the comments. Thank you so much for these all comments. And yeah, we have September in just a few days, let's say. So I can't really wait for this. It's gonna be a great. This is the greatest moment when you can wear just long boots, shorts, jumper on, and you have just a great outfit. The biker jackets you can wear because will be like not really hot anymore, but not cold yet. So it is a perfect season. I love the September and October. It is one of my favorites. December, January and February, it is the worst because I really love to wear boots and furs and everything, but sometimes for me it is not enough. Even if I'm wearing the fur, super long boots, the thermal leggings and everything, I still feel this cold, and it is really like I can walk about an hour or two and this is enough. I can feel this cold on my face and everywhere. So I can't cover everything, of course. So it is really crazy. Okay, thank you so much and see you soon in the next video. Bye.